So now I bent this wire around so that it goes back around by the other negative leads, hopefully not moving it too much here. And again, I'm going to solder those in, or attempt to. Stay. I have to bend this over just a little bit to hold that in place until I finish soldering. All right, so I'm working my way around this one. First of all, this one right here. It's a little bit of ways from it. All right, that one's connected. Let me do this one here. Connected there. Again, make sure you don't accidentally connect over to the neighboring ones.
Who? Singleton? Zachary Singleton?
The purge doesn't start till lunch.
Oh, purge doesn't start till lunch? Shoot.
Yeah, Jordan's not gonna lunch.
And then this last one here.
You can only get people during lunch or right before, like before school or after school. Like during the classes.
Bro.
All right. Double checking everything here. Should be good.